Anyone who's been a caregiver for someone with Alzheimer's can tell you that mealtimes can be challenging. Finger foods are great, as long as they are easy to pick up without breaking apart while you're eating them. The recipe we're preparing today is a chicken spread. Cream cheese and the mayonnaise may seem like a lot of extra fat in this recipe, but it can be a plus, especially if you're trying to maintain weight in someone who may have a lot of repetitive pacing or repetitive body movements.